NDLA don't go storm FUNAB school. This school where they call them Federal University of Agriculture, Abeokuta, Ogun State. Now in this school, therefore, they talk say NDLA gather mind go this place. Say, they won't go arrest some students, and this one happened around 12:24 a.m. NDLA people. If na know people when I don't know the meaning of NDLA, na Nigerian Drug Law Enforcement Agency. I beg, wetin na they find by this time for hostel? Wetin I won't go do? 12:24. When they come like say like Jesus Christ, when they come like thief for night. Now that time na come say and I won't come boss people. Make I watch the video of how students even disgrace than these people.
It's okay. You don't play with my students. You don't play. What are you taking slave possession for? It's okay. What are you doing for? You got their phones. Now that I mean, stop it for me. Why don't you collect their phones?
Which one?
No. If they go down, you know.
And I don't see the unity among these students. In fact, the way all of them join hand, they say, on your torchlight. In fact, the thing sweets me. Because what in NDLA they find by that time? On a bit thief? On another they sleep? Which kind of work on they do? Government give on a work? Say yes, so making they catch people where they do drugs. But which information on I get? Say then these students, they be drug people, be they carry cocaine, be they carry weight. Maybe say, now for midnight, on a con say, and yes, and this time now one can go boss them these people. And now yes, they even seize then these students' phone, destroy their properties. Who sends now all this kind of work? No, be say these people now see them say, they be ritualists, they be students. So what they not carry themselves go there say, now this kind of work now won't go to. They even say they carry gun. Point for them, these students, they carry gun, no. Not be even toy gun. Real gun, put them for the students' hands, say, they be thief. Say waiting, they be thief. Even if they're thief, safe. At least we won't go catch them, hold them, arrest them, put handcuff for them. Which one come with the gun where put for their head? On top of say waiting, students don't even do anything. But I like as then these students bust out. In fact, see the man face when they even talk. You when they ask question, NDLA officer, he go even come confused. You will go ask person question, say as you come the reaction say, what did they find? You can say, did I ask for his phone? Did I ask for? You know ask for his phone, now you go there by that time. Say, in fact, Nigerians I be Nigerian system, everything just the jaga, everything don't scatter. Because for me, I don't even blame this school. Because how NDLA people go enter inside school, go they bust out people, if not be from road, the gates, the school gates, now they pass. And security there for this school, abi? Security there this school. And on a still get mind. What in I tell them, these security people say, I won't go arrest person, but what in I tell them? Because now security self allow them, these people enter. Now make all these kind of kata things they happen. But I like as the students self come and say, lie, no go carry them, this their colleagues. See the unity. If say now some schools like this, everybody go down jackpot. As police don't come, like NDLA don't, everybody don't know. Survivor of the fittest, everybody go they hide. Say, may they not come carry me join, no. But this one, everybody come outside because they know say these things where these people they do, they very wrong. If now won't come outside, no be by that even time. Come outside for legal time. Morning day, now no come outside. Now at 12, where everybody don't sleep. Now I go come outside. Now so recently self now go some place. Midnight, student they sleep there, they naked. Now go enter say, now that kind of place now won't go stay. What thing they worry this our Nigerian Biana, officials, I won't even call their bina na military. What thing I won't call them? If they're giving a gun and all this rights, now those they behave anyhow because of say waiting power they on the hand. In fact, FUNAB students are given a crown because I really try for this whole matter. If not be saying now come outside, they feel even just carry these boys, just go just like that. And I suspect these people. I'm not sure say they be real NDLA EA people. I'm waiting and they call them. I'm not sure say they be all those kind of people because as this man be, him gonna look confused. You will be officials. You will know your right. You're going to say, okay, I come this place, come arrest this person, say, him do this one. You don't even get reason, no? You don't get reason come to school. Maybe you just hear say, this boy too fresh, I be the boy too dressed. Now there you can't think and say, him go be Yahoo boy, him go be one kind courtis. And make you come decide say, you won't come boss this school. Now so I reason this matter, they suppose even do these people. They suppose arrest them, investigate them, ask them question. Well, because I'm not sure say these people they be real NDLA people. And what they even annoy me now, some politicians, our big politicians, they did the way they do drugs. Then this ND, early year people, they know them, but they don't go arrest them. Make one small student just go carry one kind small igbo, they don't already come bust you for your house. But all these big people, in fact, so many, they go to their offices, they smoke this thing. Now, in fact, then these police officials, and they go still stand, they secure them, they guide them. They don't go fear arrest them, say, okay, oh God, this thing way they use it, they illegal. They don't go talk anything. But this one being now, they don't say this student, you know, get mouth, you know, go forget anybody will go fight for them. They don't know say that night itself, student don't prepare, say, them say for maybe light, no even there, they never ready to sleep. Now make everybody on touch lights, come outside. You can't call yourself saying you won't call arrest person. Make now they take time, they do sin and work because nobody send on. You know, be Jesus Christ. Now Jesus, now they talk saying go come out like thief for night. You know, be Jesus. Where we say we can't come and say we won't go boss person for midnight, morning, day. The person do anything. Come outside daytime. Inform the school officials. Okay, this student, I see I'm saying be criminal. Now I make I won't go arrest him. No can enter school say you won't come the form right. In fact, I trust students. He said at some school now even go they go beating and blue and black. Come outside from that school. But you even get lucky. Say this FUNAP student. They even they nice. They see when they follow you, they speak English. My people making I learn word. Students when they school making I they careful. Be na door na go they lock now. Making I they careful because now bless all these politicians and all these police people. They just they find anybody to arrest. There's just one person that could just carry put inside jail for no reason to use them extort people from money, making a day very careful now they come out, making a nowhere and they go. Because Nigeria now don't they hot. Everybody now money that they find, their eyes they choke, especially all these police and NDLA officials. Now money any smart way go give them money, now they find no and NDLA people making a do now work. The two way they no sending her. I never know. At least in a EFCC now they do all this kind of work. Since when NDLA people start to they do all this kind of work? See Nigeria, everybody they confused. Police they do army work, army they do secretary work. Everybody just if like say we don't they color for the country. Nobody know what when supposed to Buhari say they do another person work. My people now wow, I hear this kind of matter. I want to make I bring and come for and making I use na ear waiting they happen. No, making I don't forget to comment anything way in a film, making I write for the comment section. Making I don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Texas police don't catch one Nigerian man sake of say wetin this man go thief person motor. Now wow our people we know they carry last for all this kind thing. This boy where they talk say in name na Ezenachukwu Obianofo and this boy na 23 years old boy. The thing wey even shock me for all this whole matter now wetin the motor where this boy thief he no even see tortoise car to go thief for. He no see Toyota motor small one to thief. This boy go thief Rolls Royce. Oh na no Rolls Royce so and they talk say this motor worth $300,000. I know they talk naira. $300,000. That one will be 250 million naira. Hey, now person go carry say now this kind thing now in one go thief. He no even pity the owner. Our Nigerian brothers, we dey very creative. This boy now they talk say now him be the manager of Osita Links and Logistic Group. Where be say that they provide transport services to people. I can't they wonder it sure say no be say one mix up there for somewhere for this whole matter. Maybe he rent this motor say he won't go they do transport service. Now there they come catch and say he go thief this thing. And now they talk say person wey get this motor now Florida, USA, and this person they live. I can't they wonder they catch this man for Houston. How this motor can't take reach this place? Because the distance no be here at all. The distance between Houston and Florida, in fact, they talk say now 15 hours drive. So if no be say person thief this thing, how this thing can't take reach where this man dey? My people, as it be, now waiting I hear, and then they talk say even police will do this investigation. They can't talk say now they're not even sure whether na for Florida, now in thief the motor, I be na for Houston. I can't they shock. On not doing an investigation where it be like say one kind magumago take there inside this matter because you will be police, you know can't they sure say we are in thief the and I know ask some questions. It be like say this Oyinbo police Nigerian blood don't they enter their head because this one will be said na self na no they sure. What do we want can talk? But as it be, they don't carry this man go jail and they don't give him bail of $50,000. That one will be 20 million naira. Where this brother won't see this kind of money. In fact, then your own don't even done. You even get lucky. I just hope say you get this money or be your family gather well. Because if not, the kind of wahala where you don't enter. Where you won't see this kind of money. Now, if you won't go to, you even get lucky. If say these people come talk out of this 300,000 car, make you share that to 150. That means as they talk this thing, you go just even faint, die for the court before the judge even talk finish. Because people really get how you go they think this kind of thing. But all my mind that they feel so this thing now set up. Because person see Corolla, in no go thief. In see other cars, no go thief. Now this Rolls Royce. I can't feel say maybe somebody give am this motor, say, okay, I beg, I want you and they do business. Because it be like say they don't even ask this man questions. And they talk themselves, they don't even they sure. What you go over vex me now, they know they sure of the location of where in thief this thing, they know they sure of everything, but they sure say this man in Nigeria. See as they spoil our Nigerian brothers, any small thing they don't bring out and say, nah, Nigerian. Since they don't say can say be Nigerian as well, I don't enter now. Everybody don't accept say him from UAR. Now wow, my brothers, the whole matter for this whole police case, me I feel say something there behind this thing where police know they really talk. It be like say one kind setup there for this thing. Because this man they run logistic business, making herself think and well, and they run transportation business. So I don't want to see how this whole car go come enter say in go tifam. If no be say person give am this thing say use and do business, I be na somebody na even want sell am for them. But the whole thing we know they hear from your own side. Now only police matter now we they hear. But as it be since we say they don't give am bail, I hope saying go fit pay and people wait that place now go wise up, open na ear. Open na brain, learn something. No be say go come from Nigeria, say you won't go hustle. You go come go they say na thief, now you won't go the thief. And you dey thief on top of waiting. Who you dey try impress? All this thing now maybe you go snap with this motor, people go see and say na big boy. Chai! See this kind of fine boy, you know see work. Now to the thief. And you don't even dey okay. To be manager for that place, I sure say they pay you better money. So which one come be thief where you come you stay join them? If no be longer throat, ojo kokoro. Now enter your body before you come decide say you want the thief. Now wow, this bear appear say you go fit pay am. If you don't fit pay am, now inside prison, now you go sleep inside. And I hope say your family gather because this one now nobody they support you. This kind of thing where you do, either na set up, and if no be set up, it means say thief dey your blood. Because you know if you just sit down and think and say you know fit thief anything where they even cheap. Now big this thing, this kind of big thing, now you can't see say you won't go carry. Now my people now waiting I hear be this so I cause make I bring and come for and making herself hear waiting they happen for Obodo, Texas. Anything when I feel making a write down for the comment section. Make now don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for our next video.